Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out the Renpho Smart Healthy Living Body Composition Scale. Alright, this holds up to 400 pounds, so I won't be using it. I'm just kidding. I don't weigh 400 pounds, not even close. This has like a BMI weighing, a body fat composite. You can get a smart app, the Renpho app. It like syncs with, I think, like Fitbit and Google Health or whatever junk. And yeah, so it should tell you just about everything you need to know about yourself. Kind of cool looking there. And we have the instructions here. Comes with a QR code and tells you how to set up the app and all that. Calibration, that's cool. Kind of a neat looking scale here. Features, it's tempered glass. Let's see if I can open this up here. It's caution, it is made out of glass and slippery when wet, so you don't want to step out of the shower and directly on here. Be pretty much like stepping on a tile. All right, we have over here. It looks like this has 4 sensors, one in each little foot there. And this is going to take 3 AAA batteries. So let's go ahead and put those in there real quick. All right, I got my Amazon Basics AAA batteries. I really like the Amazon Basic batteries. I'm not just saying that. I did like a test challenge against some Duracells, and these are quite a bit cheaper than Duracells, and they last just as long. So I recommend the Amazon batteries. What can I say? All right, so we'll put those in there and then just slip our little thing right back into place. I haven't set up the that yet. Let's see, set that on the floor. I think you just tap it to turn it on. Dun, dun, dun. Or maybe just step on it. 156.8 pounds. I'm not joking. I am heavy. All right, so with the app and everything, so it does have these little metal sensors in here. I'm always curious, like how can it tell your body mass index or your fat percentage or something like that? So maybe it has something to do with these little sensors that are in there. But anyways, I'll be setting up the app and just kind of showing you stuff on that. Okay, let's do that right now.